How to make money with PayPal, earn money with PayPal in 2023. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with earning money on PayPal. So let's get into it. Now, if we take a look at PayPal, PayPal is literally a way or a application which will enable you to get paid safely and securely into your bank account. So not only can you save the hassle of linking your bank everywhere, but you can choose to get paid easily and sufficiently off of any platform and guarantee that you get paid for the work that you do. Now, how can you earn money on PayPal, and how can you really make simple ways of earning money where you don't have to actively work all the time, but you still can earn money? Well, I have a couple of different ways, and I will show you guys exactly how. So the first way is a very simple way, which is going on eBay and making a listing for things like this listing over here. So egg, swing chair, garden, indoor, outdoor. Now, what I would usually do is that I would go and list items like this on eBay. And you might be wondering, hey, I don't have that item. Why am I listing it on eBay? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to list it on eBay, and then you can go onto a platform like Walmart. So after, you can first find your product on Walmart, but you can see you can find a bunch of different items off of Walmart, and you can see I have pretty much the same things in different prices. And you can see it is available for as low as $159, so almost $160. Now you can see that they have $160 on Walmart. Now, what I would do is I would simply go on ahead, copy this listing. So swing egg chair, copy this, and then I would relist it on eBay. And on eBay, you can see this is going off of 188 USD. Now, depending on the price, it's going to vary, but it's around 230 USD. And over here, it's 160 USD. So they're making around 70, 80, 90, around 100, over $100 in profit simply by copying and pasting the listing from one place to another. So what I would do is I would take the listing and download these images. You can easily just go onto Walmart and download their images. Just click on download, and then you can go onto eBay and click on sell over here, and you can click on list an item. And you can go on ahead and just begin your listing and list the item. Just copy and paste the listing off of Walmart to eBay, and then you're just going to sell it for a higher price on eBay and pocket the difference. So with each one of these sales, if you can increase the price from Walmart to eBay to around $20, $50, $100, you can see this is going off more than $100. So if I copy the same exact words, you can see the same exact thing is listed on with a higher price of $384, while on Walmart it is available for under $200. So this is one way that you can earn money into your PayPal account. When someone purchases off of you in eBay, what do you do then? Well, you simply buy the item off of Walmart, just buy it with your credit card, and then ship it directly to the customer that has purchased off of you in eBay. So it's going to be rather simple and efficient, and even with shipping costs, it probably will be cut with your revenue, and you can still make quite a large profit and earn money directly into your PayPal account. Now, not only can you do this with furniture items, you have a bunch of different items that you can do this. Just go onto Walmart, take a look at some of the nice items that are out there. So if I just search for ottoman or, chairs, because these are like super easy to ship, and what I can do is I can copy and paste these listings and put them on eBay and just sell them for a higher price and pocket the difference. Now, this is one of the most simplest and efficient ways to earn, but if you want to increase your profit margins further, there are two more things you can do. First off, you can go onto a platform like PriceYak. So this is probably the world's first dropshipping software where you can go on ahead and ship from AliExpress, Walmart, Costco to eBay, Amazon, and Shopify. So what you're just going to do is you're going to put in your information on PriceYak, and what it will do is that it will automatically take your card information, whatever you have listed on Amazon or eBay on Shopify, and they will have your card information. So what they're going to do is that when someone purchases off of Amazon from you or off of eBay from you, it will automatically use your credit card information and buy it off of Walmart, Amazon, or AliExpress and ship it to your customer, and you can pocket the difference. Now, there is a multi-factor benefit to that. First off is that you're not going to have to list everything. Manually, you can automate it directly off of the Price Tag platform. Plus, they also allow you to ship or supply from Walmart, AliExpress, Amazon, and Costco, which can give you lower shipping times. So if you want to stay within the United States, you can use Costco, Walmart, or Amazon to get the lower prices and as well as fast shipping times as well with your eBay customers. Then another amazing things about using your credit card is that a lot of people think, hey, while I'm using a credit card, aren't I, building debt, or am I just, making more problems for myself because people think credit cards are so bad? Well, it's actually very easy because once you actually use your credit card, by the time you have to pay back your credit card at the end of the month, usually that is that. But if you have to pay in a couple of days, what it will do is that once your customer makes a purchase off of PayPal, when the product reaches them in 2 to 3 days, once the product reaches them, the money is going to go into your PayPal account and then you can send it to your bank account and you will be debt free. So you will pay off your credit card before it is actually due. Plus, another great thing is that you will build credit score when you use your credit card. And not only that, but with this mechanism, you can also go on to NerdWallet. And in NerdWallet, you can see that you get a reward for using your credit card. So depending on what kind of credit card that you have, you can get cashback offers and you have their rewards rate. So you get 2 to 10% cashback rewards. And that is pretty high because I'm already buying these items on a discount and I'm listing them for higher. Plus, when I get a 10 to 15% cashback on every item, I'm basically getting a 10 to 15% discount. So not only are you going to be able to purchase items for a lower price, but you will also get a cashback, which you can think of as a reward, or you can think of lower prices, or other than cashback rewards, you can also get other types of rewards like hotel stays, vacations, so on and so forth, depending on what you like. But we have cashbacks, which is what we're going to be focusing on. So you can get a 5 to 10% discount with your cashback on your credit card as well, and you don't have to worry about going into credit debt because the PayPal payment is going to come within 2 to 3 days, which will pay off your initial purchase. So even if you did not have the money to purchase that item off of eBay, so let's say you have $0 in your account, and you can't start a dropshipping business with your own money. Well, putting it on your credit card from Walmart or from eBay or Amazon, putting it on your credit card enables you to make a purchase and send it to your client or customer, even if you don't have the money at the moment. And then once the customer sends money to you, you can pay off your credit card debt and get a profit as well. Not only that, but another amazing way to make money into your PayPal account is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is when you promote products, and you can do affiliate marketing for a bunch of different companies and brands, but what I recommend is Bluehost. So Bluehost pays you $65 for each qualified purchase. So every time someone uses your link to sign up and qualifies and purchases their plan or their hosting, you get $65. And it is simple and efficient. Plus, it is not anything you should be worried about because they're super secure and safe with your personal information as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.